My 100th video. Hello dudes and dudettes. The time has come to grab some pizza and sit down for another toy review. This is a toy review for Playmate's TMNT Toys 1993 Sandstorm figure. He is a mutant camel and a good guy, and an exclusive to the TMNT Toys original toy line. Here is a full view of it. Here is another without the weapons. Here is a close-up. Regards to his posability. First, his legs. His legs can wobble around. They slightly bend inwards. Also much outwards, so it looks like he can do the splits. Also perfect to pretend he can kick from either legs. Yes, they can bend up to sit down. However, his tail tends to make sitting awkward. As for his tail, it is fairly tight and it does not move very much. Second, his arms, they can slightly bend up and down. Third, his hands. Like almost all of the original TMNT figures, they can twist sideways at the wrists. Fourth, his head. His head can twist to either the left or right side. He has a unique feature. He has a swinging mechanism in his torso. This makes him able to swing his arms or his legs to either the left side or the right side. Or in the case with his scimitar, it gives him a slicing power. Watch and see him in action. I know this looks quite silly, but nobody was available to help me hold him down. So no, he does not need to be taped or glued down. But this is how I was only able to do it myself while filming. Now for everyone's favorite part, his weapons. First, the Swami slicing sword / scimitar. Second, a magical M pistol. Third, the bulletproof magic carpet shield, which you can wield as a shield, or you can pretend he is flying on it. Well, that was all. So, what did you think? Now feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more toy reviews, as well as more custom toy reviews. For the record, the figure is not for sale.